Hi everyone! Today we will cook homemade noodle soup with the chicken. It's a family Russian recipe, and also I will show you how to do homemade noodle for this soup. So let's begin. For our homemade noodle soup with the chicken we will need water, chicken breast, potato, carrot, onion, parsley, and for our homemade noodle we will use salt, egg and wheat flour. And for soup also we will use ground black pepper. First step, what should we do? We need to wait until water will boil and we will put our cut chicken fillet in the water. I will show you how to do homemade noodle for our soup. We need to have 1 egg. We will add about 1 pinch of salt. We need to mix it. It will be easier to do dough for noodle. And now we will add flour. I will put not all flour. I will put little bit and I will see how what consistency I have. So we need to every time combine egg with the flour and see how does it look. We need to have small ball of dough. It's still, you see, it's sticky, so I need to add more flour. And now, as you can see, we can combine all our pieces in one bowl. So we don't need to add other part of dough, flour. So it's a good consistency for our noodle. We just need to knead it and do evenly dough. It's really easy. You see, it's just egg, salt and flour, and you will have tasty homemade noodle. It's absolutely different taste if you will buy already pasta or noodle, because soup with a homemade noodle tastes absolutely different. It's really delicious. Yes, so you see, we have small piece of dough and it's not sticky. After that we have to sprinkle a little bit our surface, roll in the flour our dough, And we have to roll it out, and we need to get it really thin dough. Make sure that you have enough flour on your board. Just avoid stick dough on a board. So we're done with this step. As you can see, it's like a sheet of dough. It's really thin dough. So next we have to cut this dough on a narrow stripes. Stack it on each other. And all of these stripes cut on a narrow pieces, as thin as you can. But it depends from you. If you like more wider, you can cut not so thin like I. And after that, if they will stick to each other, just divide them like this one. You can add a little bit flour and mix it. Now we have to mix a little bit with the flour, just divide each small pieces from each other. And next step, we have to put all our homemade noodle on a plate just to get a little bit dry. Sprinkle with the flour your dish and put, not together, not comb all of this noodle. So try to separate them, because we don't need that it's stuck for one piece. So our water already boiled, so we need to add our chicken breast in the water. I put a little bit ground black pepper on the breast because I wanted it smell better. If you want, you can do it the same. If no, no. stir it. Just divide all pieces of meat. And now I will put half of white onion in the water. Just I want that onion get smell in the water. Our water already boiled, so now what should we do? We need to take out this foam from the chicken for clean soup. So our chicken broth already clean. We need to do our flame on a medium and leave this chicken maybe for 30-35 minutes boil. I have not really big pieces of chicken, so for my soup it's a good time. If you have big pieces of chicken, you need to leave maybe for 40-45 minutes until it will get done. So, and also I will say you, I remove my soup chicken broth on a bigger pot, because when we will add our noodle, carrot and potato, we will not have enough space on a small pot. So for your information, when you will start to do this soup, take like this size pot. Just make sure that you have enough space in it. So I will wait 30 minutes. Now we have to remove our onion. And add all our potato. We will wait until our potato will done. Potato already boiled, so we can make our flame on a medium. Remove this foam of the potato to get clean soup. And now, after 8 minutes, we can add our carrot. And also we will add our noodles. Stir it maybe for 30 seconds. Just avoid to stick on the bottom of the pot. So now, after the 10 minutes, what should we do? We have to check our potato if it's ready. So I will show you how to do it. You need to take one piece of potato and cut the knife. If you will do not feel like a crispy when you will cut. It means that potato ready. And my potato is ready because I don't have a really big cube. So this size, I will show you like this, right? It's enough time. I will add ground black pepper. I will add 1 tablespoon of salt, and it depends from you. If you want more salt, you add more. For me, it's enough. Just make sure that you will do not put over salt. And when we already finished, we will add our chopped parsley, stir it, and turn off our stove. So our homemade noodle soup with the chicken already done. I suggest it to you. Prepare this soup for your family. Enjoy. Bye bye.